Hello, how's everybody doing? My name is Ruth Kim.
Zomi Zomi Innkuan Oklahoma minto Zomi namni bawl mehi manina tuamtuam taangkona hiung. Ani dingin Zomi namni kichi February somni ma kipawlna February somni tulile som lenganin kibol somi. Amun ding pen Marriott Hotel Square room hiding hi. Ahun ding pen naigup PM pan naisom PM hiding hi.
We will be celebrating Zomi National Day this year, as always, on February 20th, 2015. This year, it will be at Marriott Hotel at 6:30 p.m. and will be held at the Sequoia Room.
Tua Zomi namni hun sunga Zomi ngay na lam tuamtuam gam ngay la le tuamtuam gamin na la tuamtuam te kisadihi. Tua te sunga Zomi te sunga ong pai kia Zomi te sunga kihel puan sil nip te na hoi te kitel ke dinga to te pa toy na kipedingi to khiche na in thak nei te hi zongina sangman thak te hi zongina to te pa toy na kipelai ding hi.
We will have Zomi traditional dances and songs, and they are going to be amazing. So you guys should come and watch and hear them. We will also have best dress contests, so whoever has the best dress will be winning a prize. And then also, we'll also announce the graduates from high school and college, and then we'll also announce families who got new homes this year and last year.
Tukumina izin mang bidding in Dr. Pum kan pao langwa lamka Churachandpur India panina ama kisama hi ama pen somle sagi ni February somle sagi ni Tuesday ni na Tulsa International Airport ungtung dinga naili le alang PM ina adon thei teng Zomi te na padon ni chi zong zon nom layung.
We will have a chief guest, and his name is Dr. Innkuan Oklahoma, and he will be from Lanka from India. And he'll arrive here on Tuesday at the Tulsa International Airport on Tuesday, February 17th. And so if you guys are free that day, happen to be free, he'll be here at 5. So if you guys can go and help us pick him up, that would be great.
Tua hi manina hi Zomi namnia Innkuan pi te zongina lom la gol te thei khanai lo te zongina ki hilena ki zorina pai chen ni Zomi namni chi pen kum khatin khatve hi manina Ivekina Zomi khem pu ki pum khatina kum khata khatve I bawl ding kum khata khatve I ne hi manina hitaka off day la thei te off day lai na ivekai kim thei nangin han chem chen ni chi ong zon ni nge Zomi te.
Please make the best of your effort to come and join us, especially on February 20th, because this is something we have once a year, and we don't do this more than once a year. So it's something that is special, and we'll be celebrating it with a lot of enthusiasm, and we would like for as many people to join us that day. And also, if you are working that day, try your best to get off early or take off that whole day.
Zomi Innkuan Oklahoma huam sunga Zomi ting February som ni Zomi namnia kimu som chen ni lungdam.
And again, everybody from Oklahoma, if you could join us here in Tulsa, Oklahoma on February 20th, that would be great. And we hope to see you soon. Thank you.